Hey everyone, it's Tyler, 350Z here. Just doing a quick little install video on changing the hatch struts. I bought upgraded hatch struts because mine recently blew out the end of the summer. Every time I'd have to open the trunk, I'd have to push the button and then try and lift it while I'm pushing it. Well, it's been doing that for a while, and it would stay up, but now it just closes on its own. So it's time to change them all the way. First thing you're going to want to do is buy your new struts. I bought the upgraded ones from Z1 Motorsports. They're on their website. First thing you do is you're going to take this piece off. You just twist it 90 degrees and it pops off. It's got little tabs on there. And then after that, what you're going to want to do is take this one off. It's a 12 millimeter wrench right here to take it off. And after that, you're going to want to take these two off, which are 10 millimeter bolts. You can get those with a ratchet and socket. And you're going to want to keep these bolts and the little gasket under it, because they don't give you new bolts, and the gasket is so you don't scratch your paint. So I'm going to take these off and then show you what's next. Alright guys, so I just got the bolts out. This one is a little hard to get out. It's kind of shallow and there's not much room to work with the plastics. You might want to take them off. These are loose, so I'm going to pull them off, but you can see this strut. I can just push it in and out right by hand. So that's definitely not going to keep the trunk up. Alright, so these two bolts right here, we're going to keep these. And let me just show you this little gasket that's underneath of it. This right here, this little black gasket. It's kind of stuck there right now, but it's there. And you're going to want to keep that there just so you don't scratch the paint around it. So now for the install. Here's the new strut in the bag. Here's the bolt that goes up top. What you're going to want to do is just take it and start threading it in by hand, just so it goes in straight. And then once you get it in, this one, since it doesn't have a top on it, you can actually use a 12 millimeter socket. Put that on tight just to get it a little snug. Next, you're going to want to take your new strut and you line it up over the holes. You want to make sure that the ball is facing down. You don't want it facing up like this. It's wrong. Your hatch isn't going to close. Set it down like this, put the bolts in, and then we'll click it to the top. So once you get all those bolts in, tightened up, what you're going to want to do is take the strut, and you may have to twist it just a little bit. You just grab down here on the black part and twist it in the direction that you need to go. It's a little tough, but it'll move just till you get your ball straight. And then you lock it right on top here. To lock it, it's not really going to reach, so you're going to want to take your hatch, push it up a little higher, a little tough, and then once you get it in, you're going to push it till you hear a click. There it is. And then after that, you take your little plug, put it in, give it a 90-degree turn, take out what had it holding the strut up, and that's it. Upgraded hatch struts for the 350Z. All the way down. Somebody wrote "clean me" on it. Get your key, push the button, opens it up. And then we're up. There you have it.